Hello friends, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to explore two special tags in HTML, the map tag and the area tag. These tags allow you to make specific parts of an image clickable, just like a map with hotspots. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to create interactive images on your web page. Let's get started. The map tag in HTML is used to define an image map. Inside the map tag, we place area tags to create clickable regions on an image. Each area tag defines a specific shape and coordinates for the clickable section, and it can direct the user to different URLs or paths. Here you can see the image tag, and this is the image URL. Now let's create a map tag here. Inside the image tag, you can see useMap equals #ImageMap. This means the image is linked to a map called ImageMap. So we give the map the name ImageMap in order to connect it with the image. Now we are going to make this circular point clickable. To do this easily, you can go to the website image-map.net. Here you can either upload an image from your computer or load an image from a website. For now, I will load the image from a website. Let's copy the same image URL and paste it here. Then press enter on your keyboard. Click on continue. Now the image has been loaded. To make this circular area clickable, first select the circle shape. Then enter the link where you want the user to go. After that, enter the title or name of the clickable area. Next, select the target. I will choose blank because I want the link to open in a new tab. After filling in these fields, go to the image and start placing the points. First, left click to place a point at the center. If you want to delete a point, simply right click on it. Now place the first point at the center and then place another point at the edge of the circular area. For a circular shape, there are only 2 points. The first point at the center represents the x and y coordinates, which is the intersection point of the x and y values. The second point at the edge represents the radius of the circle. You can move the points by left-clicking and holding the mouse. You can also resize the circular area by dragging the radius point inward or outward. Once you are satisfied, click Show me the code. Here you can see the image tag linked to the map tag. Since we already created the map tag earlier, we only need to copy the area tag and paste it inside the map tag. Now you can see that this circular area has become clickable. Here you can also see the coordinates. The first value represents x, the second value represents y, and the third value represents the radius. Next, let's make this wall TV area clickable. You can click the close button here to clear everything. This time, for the shape, choose rectangle. Then fill in all these fields. Now place 2 points on the image. You can place one point at the top left corner and another at the bottom right corner, or one at the top right corner and another at the bottom left corner. Only 2 points are required to create a rectangular clickable area. If you want to remove a point, simply right click on it. You can also adjust the selection by moving the points. Placing the 2 points diagonally works perfectly for creating the rectangle. However, if you place the 2 points vertically or horizontally, it will not create a proper rectangular selection. So make sure the 2 points are placed diagonally, one near the top and one near the bottom. Once you are satisfied, click Show me the code. Now copy the area tag and paste it inside the map tag. You can see that the wall TV screen has now become clickable. Here you can see 2 pairs of x and y values. For a rectangular area, the coordinates represent the positions of 2 opposite corners of the rectangle. Next, we will make the map of Germany clickable. This time, we need to select the poly shape. Poly means polygon, and a polygon has many corners. This helps us create complex selections that cannot be made with a circle or rectangle. Now go to the map of Germany and start placing points around the edges of the Germany map. These points will define the shape of the clickable area. You can move the points to adjust the selection and make it match the border of the map. Once you are satisfied with the selection, click Show me the code. Now copy the area tag and paste it inside the map tag. Now the map of Germany has become clickable. Here you can see multiple pairs of X and Y coordinates. Each pair represents a point that defines the shape of the polygon. In a polygon, the minimum number of vertices is 3, which forms a triangle. So, in this lesson, we learned how to create interactive images in HTML using the map and area tags. We also learned how to create circle, rectangle, and polygon clickable areas on an image. This technique is very useful when you want different parts of an image to lead to different pages or links. Keep practicing, because the best way to learn coding is by writing code yourself. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HTML and web development tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.